everyone, welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Yes, indeed, it's been a very long time. However, it's a joy to get back to cooking. So today we are going to cook chicken pasta, which is chicken macaroni pasta. We are going to use the wheat pasta. So let's check the ingredients quickly. So here's some boneless chicken. It's approximately 300 grams of boneless chicken. Then comes a cup of grated carrot. Then a cup of onions, sliced onions, and 1 cup of capsicum. We also have some garlic. I have chopped few garlic, 5 to 6 pods of garlic, and then I have some pizza pasta seasoning powder, some salt to go, and these are the spices which we are going to add in this chicken so that we can marinate it and fry it. We're going to use some chicken masala, and then we have some coriander powder, some garam masala, haldi, and the mirch masala, and then comes the salt. So we're going to add all of these into the chicken, marinate it, and then fry it. Taking all the spice powders and mixing it into the chicken. We can keep it for 15 minutes to half an hour. And once done, we'll take a pan, adding some oil to the pan, and then we'll fry the chicken. And in case you want to make a vegetable pasta, you can skip this part and you can add vegetables of your own choice. You can add broccoli, mushrooms, corn, and other bell peppers as well. Now here I had forgotten to add a spoon of ginger garlic paste during marination. So I added, and then I will cook the chicken with this ginger garlic paste. Once it's cooked, once the ginger garlic is cooked, then the chicken also will be almost ready. Simultaneously, I'm taking a kadai, adding water. Once the water boils, I'll be adding the pasta in it. Well, our chicken is almost ready. You can see it looks yum. It's almost cooked. Let's check on the pasta now. I feel it's still yet to cook a bit. Now taking a pan and adding some olive oil, a spoon of butter, and then adding chopped garlic. Once it's fried, adding some onions, giving it a nice mix. So do not over fry the onions. We just need to fry it until it turns a bit translucent. And then I'll be adding tomato puree. So I've taken 2 tomatoes, grinded them in a mixer, and then cook it well so that the rawness of the tomatoes vanishes. And then we will add the vegetables, all the chopped vegetables like capsicum, and then we have shredded carrot. You can also add more vegetables if you want, and then adding the chicken. I'm adding 2 full spoons of cream cheese. I wanted to use it as I already had it with me. In case you do not have it, you can use cheese as well, slices. And then I'm adding the Italian seasoning, which is the pizza pasta herbs. It also has chili flakes, so I'm not adding chili flakes separately. It has all the ingredients in these herbs. And then finally, I'll be adding the pasta. So when I boiled the pasta, I added few drops of oil and salt in it so that it doesn't stick to each other, and then washed it with cold water at the end, giving a nice mix, and at the end adding some pepper to balance the flavors. So this is how the pasta looks. It looks delicious. Now let's taste it. It tastes delicious. You can add more seasoning to it according to your own choice. At the end, I have added more pizza pasta seasoning to enhance the flavor, and it tastes really delicious. And if you like today's recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Soulful Sharon. And do hit the like button and comment as well. Share the video as well. And see you all soon in my next vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Keep watching Soulful Sharon and be happy and do take care. Bye-bye.